Hello, my lovely, beautiful, magical beings, Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing well in your life, wonderful in your life. This is your general love reading for October 2020, and I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can leave it out, you can skip it because it's not going to resonate with each of you. Okay, so take it as according to your situation, Aquarius. I have already shuffled your cards and got your main cards, and I'm going to justify, I'm going to clarify with this deck that what this cards means. Okay, so let's see what is your main reading. If you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Okay, Aquarius, let's see what are the messages. Okay, Aquarius, first card is Ace of Pentacles. What is Ace of Pentacles? Let me clarify this. Ace of Pentacles, help me out to get the meaning of Ace of Pentacles. Too many cards. Let me clarify what is this Ace of Pentacles. From your reading, I'm getting that you want stability in your life, in your relationship. Okay, Aquarius, you got Ace of Pentacles. You want stability in your, situation, in your relationship. You want to move towards a calmer water, and you're rising. You want that passion in your relationship, passion, um, you know, creativity, passion towards each other, but it's not there in your relationship. That's, and you are using your intuitions because you're not feeling that way in your relationship. That's why you are leaving that person behind, leaving the situation and moving ahead with this 5 of Pentacles. But you want to achieve this 10 of Pentacles with that guy, with your person. You want to achieve this 10 of Pentacles, abundant happy family with your person. You want to achieve a happy family card, abundant of everything, money, love, happiness. But this is you, Aquarius, rising as King of Swords, either male, female, that doesn't matter. Okay, gender is not specific here, but you are ready to cut any bullshit, any toxic things, if there is someone in your life, and you are moving ahead with your wish fulfillment. See, bottom of the deck, I'm also having Empress. Yes, you want that Empress, that you are rising, you know your worth. Actually, this is you, Aquarius, Empress, and here I'm getting Empress too. You know your worth, Empress. You know your worth. You know that you are the Empress, motherly figure, loving, caring, nurturing kind of person. You know this thing, that you are someone who is, you are someone who is, you want to treat it like a empress. You treat people as, king or queen or something, very, very motherly figure, I can say you. So you want that thing from your person too. But your person is this King of Pentacles. This is your person, King of Pentacles, a stable, solid person who is, financially very stable, maybe. But this is not the Emperor, okay? This is the King of Pentacles. These two personalities are very different. This is motherly, loving, caring, nurturing energy, and this is a person who can help you out in financial terms, who can be very financially abundant, financially very strong and stable. But that doesn't mean that he or she can nurture you in the same way you take care of things, person, relationship. These two energies are very different, and you want new hopes and new desires with this Star card. Rising as a star, you want new hopes and desire in your life, in your relationship, because you have already put all the efforts, you have already done all the efforts in the relationship with this 7 of Pentacles to achieve this 10 of Cups, happy abundant family. You already putting all the efforts in the relationship, all the efforts, you whatever efforts you can put in the situation or in a relationship with this person, you have already done that part, and now you're looking that whether you are going to achieve this 10 of Cups or not. But you are right now feeling as restricted with this 8 of Swords. You're feeling restricted, that you doesn't know what's the clarity. But you want clarity in your life with this Ace of Swords. You want clarity in your life, that whether this relationship is going to move in a specific direction or not. There is no direction in your life with regards to this person in your life, because maybe financially this person is very stable, but emotional wise this person is not, on a same level on which you are capable of taking care of persons or relationship. But you want to achieve this 10 of cups with this person. Okay, you want to achieve this happy family card with this person, happy family marriage. Okay, so you want to achieve this 10 of cups with this person, but you are feeling restricted because you're not getting what you want to achieve with this person. And you will not be able to achieve this thing, because Aquarius, this person is king of pentacles. See, he can only provide you financially terms of, financial abundance, financial thing, can help you out in financial way. But this king of pentacle is not the emotional one. Now let me clarify something. Okay, let me clarify some cards, because I need to clarify. Let's start your clarification. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Help me out to clarify. What is this Ace of Pentacles? See, these cards flop out, and I don't take reversals, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck is Six of Swords. See, again Six of Swords is there. You want to move towards a calmer place, and this is what I am having. Six of Swords. Yeah, you want to move to a calmer places. You are done with the ups and downs in a relationship. These are too many cards. Wow, wow. Ace of Pentacles, Three of Swords. There was some heartbreak, there was some third party situation involvement, and they want to offer you a cup, or maybe this King of Swords want to offer you. Wow, okay, now I understand. Okay, this is the deal. Okay, so some stability, you are going to receive your offer, Aquarius. A stable committed offer, a stable committed relationship, what you are desiring, what you are want, what you requiring in your life, a stable committed offer. You are going to receive this offer with this Ace of Pentacles. Okay, Aquarius, you are going to receive this Ace of Pentacles. But in the past you are dealing with some heartbreaks, some third party situation, lies, deception, hurt. That's why you have this energy is there, and someone is going to offer you this King of Swords. Maybe your person, this is not you, this is your person. Okay, sorry for that thing. Okay, this is your person. Maybe you're dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Okay, this person is King of Swords. Maybe a new person is coming in your life, or they can be from your past. Okay, that doesn't matter. But this King of Swords want to offer you this cup. A Four of Cup is there, can you see? But you are not ready to accept these cups, and they want to give you equal amount of give and take with the Six of Pentacles. They want to offer you equal amount of give and take. They are not going to give you what this King of Pentacles has given you. Okay, so there are two energies in your reading. One is King of Swords and one is King of Pentacles. These two persons are there in your life. This is your current person with whom you are dealing with, and this is the new person who wants to offer you a stable committed offer, which you are desiring, which you want, a happy stable equal amount of give and take relationship with this person. But this person cannot give you what you want, Aquarius. So universe has sent you this person in your life with this King of Swords, and this person wants to offer you the Six of Pentacles, equal amount of give and take, which was not there in this king previous relationship with whom you were dealing with. Okay, Aquarius, so this person does not offer you this equal amount of give and take, and they want to offer you this they want to offer you the offer that will be a very stable committed offer. Can you see Ace of Pentacle is there? And with that offer, bottom of the deck, I am having this Six of Swords, and the next card is Six of Swords. So you will be going to move towards a calmer water, Aquarius, and they see you as someone who is very passionate, creative, they see you as something very creative, passionate person. Okay, Aquarius, they admire you, they inspire you, Aquarius. This King of Swords know your worth, basically. They know your worth. That's why they want to offer you some stable, solid connection, some stable, solid relationship. Okay. This Ace of Pentacles, I got this clarification for this Ace of Pentacles from another deck, and I got these messages. They want to offer you some stable, solid offer in which the things will be on an equal amount of give and take. Okay, Aquarius, but maybe you are not ready to accept this offer because in the past you were dealing with the heartbreaks. Can you see? Three of Swords is there, so you are dealing with the person which give you only the heartbreaks, hurts, deception, lies, which put you on a third party situation maybe. So it was very toxic relationship and you were not ready to accept any other further things. You were expecting this Six of Pentacles with that person, but now the universe has sent you the exact thing which you were manifesting, maybe which you were desiring, which you want in your life. You want this equal amount of give and take. Can you see? And there is an infinity sign behind this. Can you see infinity sign? So this card is very, very beautiful energy, Aquarius. This person is very, I can say, they know your worth. They know you are the empress for them. They know this thing. So this was the clarification for Ace of Pentacles. Now let me see to clarify. I want to see something. And this was at the bottom of the Queen of Pentacles. They see you as something, Queen of Pentacles. They know that you are financially very abundant. You know how to manage your finance, career, family. Okay, they see you something very special and unique, Aquarius. Wow. Now let me see. Let me clarify. So let me see what is the meaning of King of Swords. You are using your intuitions, Aquarius. You are moving ahead and you're using your intuitions. And you are on a right path, I can say, you Aquarius, because this person is not healthy for you. I am getting the vibe. This person is very toxic. This person is not capable of taking care of you, because you are the one who is Empress, Aquarius. You are the motherly, caring, nurturing figure in your life. So you desire something very beautiful, and this person cannot give you that thing which you were putting efforts. I know you have done lots of efforts. You have done your all efforts. You have already put in all the efforts and thing in this relationship to achieve this 10 of cups with this person, but you cannot achieve it because this person is not having what you want from them, Aquarius. That's why the universe is sending you a new person. This is your new person, King of Swords. Let me clarify what is the meaning of King of Swords. Help me out to clarify the meaning of King of Swords. What is the meaning of King of Swords? Help me out to give. Okay, this wants to fall out. Six of Cups. Yeah, that's what I was telling you. This new person, King of Swords, maybe some of you, yeah, bottom of the deck I'm having Six of Wands. You will be victory. You will get your victory, Aquarius. Six of Cup is there. Someone from your past is returning back. This person is coming back in your life. Maybe you have deal with them before in the past. You both know each other, basically. Six of Cup is there, so you both know each other. And there is a dog over here in the picture. Can you see? So this person is very loyal, Aquarius, for you. Okay, so this person is coming back in your life from the past. So someone from your past is coming back to offer you, because they know your worth. They know every single I can say incidents, every single life incidents, which ups and downs through which you have gone through from your past to present. And they know how much you have become like an empress. You have risen as an empress. They know that you are the empress. So someone from your past is coming back to offer you. This person is from your past, Aquarius. So let me see. Okay, these two are fall out. Nine of Cups and Hermit energy. See, these two also wants to fall out. And I was having next is Nine of Cups here too in your this deck also. Yeah, this is your wish fulfillment, Aquarius. You are moving towards at hermit mode. You are looking that light, but light is there. You are seeking answers from within. What you want, you are finding your answers from within, because you want your wish fulfillment. Okay, you want this Nine of Cups. You want to achieve this wish fulfillment, and this is coming your way, Aquarius. Let me clarify more, if I can clarify. What is the meaning of Nine of Cups? Explain me. Okay. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. This person is bottom of the deck. I'm having Knight of Pentacles. Maybe they are moving ahead in your direction at a very slow pace. This is the slowest moving energy in the deck, Knight of Pentacles. But they are the King of Cups. They are emotionally very balanced, Aquarius. They are full of emotional balance. Ace of Wands is there, and I'm having Ace of Wands here too. So you will get communication with this person. You will get your clarity, Aquarius. Wow. 10 of Cups. Yeah, they want to achieve 10 of Cups with you. They want to achieve the 10 of Cups of you with you. Okay, Aquarius. They are moving at a slow pace. This is the slowest energy. But don't worry, they are moving towards you, Aquarius. And this 3 will fall out. Maybe you are right now very defensive with this Nine of Wands. You are very guarded, defensive. You are not opening up with this person. Maybe you both are communicating right now, but you are very defensive. Maybe you are doubting this person. You are not trusting this person. And because you are juggling with this Two of Swords, okay, you are can you see a girl who is being tied up on the eyes? You are juggling. You are, because of these past hurts, because you have already gone through this phase of Three of Swords. There was so much of heartbreaks and everything in your past. That's why you are using your intuition and rising as an High Priestess. You don't want to see things from your eyes. You want to feel from the heart. Two of Swords. And you are being very defensive or guarded, but you are rising as an Empress, and Empress is there in your reading too. And I get this clarification for Nine of Cups. Yeah, you want your wish fulfillment, but you are very guarded right now. Okay, Aquarius. But yes, this is your wish fulfillment, Aquarius. You will get your wish fulfilled by this Knight of Pentacles. They are moving at a slow pace, but this is the loyal person in your life. You will get your what you want. Explain me the meaning of Empress. What is the meaning of Empress? Clarify the meaning of Empress. Too many cards. Let me clarify one more thing. Why there is a devil? Why there is a devil? Explain me the meaning of devil. Why there is a devil? Something is toxic inside of you, Aquarius. Okay, because of this first person, King of Pentacles. Maybe some obsession is there. Too many cards. Explain me the meaning of devil. Why there is a devil? What is the meaning of devil? Explain me, clarify me the meaning of devil. What is the meaning of devil? For my lovely Aquarius, help me out to explain me the meaning of devil. What is the meaning of devil? Okay. Yeah, see, bottom of the deck I'm having the Star. You want new hopes and new desires. 8 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands. Yeah, Aquarius, that's why there is a devil. Okay. Wow. See what I'm having. Star, then King of Pentacles. 10 of Swords. Yes, this person has given you enough of, 10 of Swords is the backstabbing, hurt, very much. They hurt you a lot, Aquarius, in the past. And you want something new, hopes, new desire. You wishing for new hopes and new desires. But this person, can you see this energy? This person is financially very stable, but this person can only give you this 10 of Swords. They can only give you hurts, and that was enough of it. Okay, so I got these cards with the Empress. There was some toxic energy, Aquarius, with this Devil card. Okay, this person is toxic. They leave you something obsession. Maybe you are obsessing something you are obsessing right now. Okay, this is King of Swords. Sorry, King of Wands. This person is, maybe this person is, let me clarify this. Yeah, you are still obsessed with this King of Pentacles. You want to be continue this relationship. You still want to be, but this energy is not good at all, Aquarius. This is not for you. This is not for you. I know you have already been resting a lot with this Four of Wands. You are resting, rejuvenating yourself. You are working so hard on your pentacles, on yourself. You are healing right now with this energy. You are healing yourself with this energy. This person has given you something very toxic through which you are right now healing, resting yourself, your body, your mind, your career, your life. You are healing from this energy. But this person has given you something very toxic. You were in something which was not good at all. This energy was not good at all. And they see you as someone who is like this King of Wands. Okay, they see you a very passionate, okay, very passionate, very creative person. That's why they want communication with this Ace of Wands. Communication is coming towards you. Maybe this person, this is your new person. They are coming towards you to offer you this Two of Cups. Yeah, that's what you are. Beautiful energy, this person. And I'm having King of Wands and Queen of Wands both. So this is your soulmate, I can say, Aquarius. See, King and Queen both are there. King of Wands and Queen of Wands. This person is full of passion, creativity. They see you worth. Okay, Aquarius. Then they want to offer you this Two of Cups. Two of Cups. They want to offer you this Two of Cups. Maybe you are getting communication with this person. Lots of communication is coming towards you either on WhatsApp or phone or on social media. You both are communicating or will communicate in the future if you are not communicating yet. But in the past you were dealing with this person which was very toxic, which give you this energy, this devil energy, toxic things and toxic energy. From that energy you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. You are healing from that thing. That's why you are resting yourself, and you are working on yourself, on your money, on yourself. That's why you are working on yourself. And this new person wants to give you something which is this Two of Cups. Beautiful energy. They will give you new hopes, new desires, Aquarius. They want to give you, because you are wishing new hopes, new desires, Aquarius, but you are wishing from this King of Pentacles, new hopes, new desire in the relationship. But what they give you instead, they'll give you this. They give you this Ten of Swords. They hurt you. You want new hopes, new desire from this King of Pentacles, but they give you this in return. They don't give you this Two of Cups energy. Can you see the difference? The difference between these two energies. You were hoping for this. You were hoping for this Two of Cups with this person, King of Pentacles, but they give you this Ten of Swords. Hurts, lies, manipulation, backstabbing. This is the last deck. 10 is the completion of Swords. So they give you this, and this new person wants to offer you. There are two energies in your reading, Aquarius. There are two energies in your reading. The two person is offering you something different. One person is very toxic. They want to give you and nothing other than this. I can explain you like this. 1 second. Yeah. See, like this I can tell you. These are two person in your life. Okay, this is the new person which is coming in your life. Maybe either they are from past, because there is Six of Cups, so they are returning back in your life from your past. Some of you are dealing with this person who know them already, okay, and this is the current person with whom you are dealing with. Then they offer you, they can give you only this Ten of Swords. Can you see the difference between two persons? And maybe this person is older than you. This is an old man, and can you see, this is the young person, this is the young energy who is very passionate, creative towards you. And this person can only give you this Ten of Swords, hurts, lies, toxic things. So these are two energy, Aquarius. Now you have to decide what you want. The universe is giving you opportunity or thing which you were wishing for, because you were wishing new hopes and new desire with the Star card in between, okay. You were hoping something new in your life, and that's why universe has bring you this person in your life to offer you this Two of Cups. So I hope I can explain you. I had already explained you a lot in this, but you need to decide. That's your call, that's your decision. Whatever you will decide, that's your thing. But this person can only give you this, Aquarius. If you still want to continue with this, you can go ahead. I'm no one to let you know what. That's your life, you need to decide it. But in my reading, I can tell you that this person can only help you out financially, and they can only give this Ten of Swords energy on. They will always hurt you. They will always give you toxic things, devil energy. They will always ruin you, I can say, ruin your life, okay, Aquarius. They cannot make you happy, Aquarius. Never ever they can make you happy. Yeah, so let me know. Let me see what are the Star card mean. What is the Star card? Okay, Seven of Swords. What is the meaning of Star card? Wow. Wow, Aquarius. Wow. Wow. What I got. Okay. They were Seven of Swords. You were done with the Seven of Swords. There were some deception. There were some lies, cheating, manipulation with this Seven of Swords. And you don't want to deal it. You don't want to deal it, and you want something new. You want something new. Hopes, new desire, new things to deal with. You are done with this energy. That's very good, Aquarius. You are moving ahead in your life, and you are moving ahead, leaving these deceptions, lies, cheating behind. That's why these cards come, Aquarius. The World card, you're completing a karmic cycle with the World card. You're completing this energy, the Seven of Swords. You don't want to deal with this, throw it out, and you're already throwing it out. Very good. And that's why you're completing a karmic cycle. There is a completion of a cycle. You, the Magician, this is you, Aquarius. You are manifesting something new in your life. You're manifesting this Ten of Pentacles, and Ace of Swords is again, this was your last reading card. You getting your clarity, Aquarius. Ace of Swords. Two times I'm getting the same messages both in both of my decks, Aquarius. Excuse. Okay, so you are completing a cycle, Aquarius, and you're getting your clarity. Very nice, Aquarius. You are manifesting this Ten of Pentacles, abundant of everything, abundant of happy family, money, love, life. Okay, everything you are manifesting through this. You want to achieve this, okay. That's why there was two times in the reading also. You want to achieve this Ten of Pentacles, and that's why you're leaving this Seven of Swords behind, and you're leaving this behind. That's why you want something new in life. You are done with this bullshit energy and bullshit persons. You're throwing them off. You want something new in life with this new hopes, new desires. That's why you are completing a cycle. The World card is there. You're completing a karmic cycle and starting a new cycle. You're manifesting this Ten of Pentacles, and you're getting that thing, Aquarius, with this Ace of Swords. Okay, you will get your clarity. You're getting your offer, and I need to know what is that, because you already put your efforts in a lot. Let me see, what is the Ace of Swords? What is the meaning of Ace of Swords? Help me out to explain the meaning of Ace of Swords. What is Ace of Swords? Okay. Seven of Cups. What are the meaning of Ace of Swords? Help me out to explain me the meaning of Ace of Swords. Explain me the meaning of Ace of Swords. What is the meaning of Ace of Swords? Help me out to give the meaning of Ace of Swords. Okay, okay. Wow. So Aquarius, bottom of the deck I'm having Five of Cups, and behind that I'm having Emperor. Emperor is there. Yeah, you're dealing with your soulmate Aquarius. Emperor and Empress both are there. I can tell you like this. You're dealing with your soulmate. You are meeting now with your soulmate Aquarius. This soulmate is ready for you now, okay? And they want to offer you Aquarius. Maybe right now they are offering some small offer with this Page of Pentacles, because they are moving at a slow pace. They are, they are Knight of Pentacles. There was a card in the deck energy. There is Knight of Pentacles in the card. They are moving at a slow pace because you are right now being very defensive and guarded towards each and everything, okay, each and every person. But that's not an issue, Aquarius. That's not an issue, because you are moving ahead. That's the main thing. You are not being stuck in a same situation. You are moving ahead. You are leaving these deceptions and everything behind, and you are moving towards on a better things, okay? You want to achieve something new, and your something new and better, new hopes, new desires in your lives. So maybe this person, you have lot of options. That's what you're getting it. Seven of Cups is there. You got lot of options in your life, Aquarius, but you are not ready. You are more focused on one person maybe. But Aquarius, with this Five of Cups, you need to see that there is one cup which is waiting for you. You have lot of options, but maybe some of you are not looking into it. And this one cup is offering you, Aquarius. They maybe right now they are offering you something very small, okay? But this, can you see the pentacle? This is the same Ace of Pentacles. See, this pentacles, they are offering you something small right now. Maybe not, they are not going to commit you right now very much big thing, but they are going to commit you something which is, you can, which is, stable, which is stable. I can say stable is the word I'm getting. Maybe right now you will feel that this is not what I want in my life, but right now you have to accept this, Aquarius. Stop juggling between Two of Pentacles. Stop juggling with two energies, two minds, Aquarius, okay? Stop juggling it. I know you are manifesting it. You want your emotional fulfillment with this Queen of Cups, and you getting this. See what beautiful energy. 10 of Cups. You will achieve this 10 of Cups, Aquarius, and I'm getting this 10 of Cups both in both of my decks. See, 10 of Cups, 10 of Cups. You want to achieve this 10 of Cups, and you are getting it with this Ace of Swords. This is the clarification of Ace of Swords. You are getting your Ace of this 10 of Cups, okay, Aquarius? With this Emperor person, Aquarius, they will offer you your this 10 of Cups, emotional fulfillment, happy family, okay, marriage, commitment. They will offer you right now. Maybe they are offering you something small, but they will offer you something big, okay? Because they also want you in their life. They are full of emotions. They know that you are very emotional person. You are very abundant in emotion. You are this Emperor, Empress, and I am having right now many confirmations that you are dealing with your soulmate, Aquarius. I'm having Emperor and Empress both, okay, Aquarius. And I'm having King and Queen, King of Wands and Queen of Wands. So this new person is your soulmate, Aquarius, okay? You just need to throw this King of Pentacles, because this is the devil energy, Aquarius. You see, this is the devil energy. This person is the devil energy, which is toxic, very toxic for you, Aquarius. So just leave them behind, Aquarius, so that you can move ahead. And this new person wants to offer you this Emperor or this King of, this is the same person who wants to offer you this Two of Cups. Equal amount of, can you see, you both are offering their cup to each other. This is also a soulmate card confirmation. You are dealing with your soulmate, Aquarius. Wow, I love your reading. Finally, Aquarius, you are meeting your soulmate. You're getting what you were manifesting through this magician. I am getting the same messages with both of decks. 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, Aquarius. Wow. Just need to throw this devil, okay? You don't want it. You don't deserve it, Aquarius, and you are doing it. You are throwing this energy out of your life. That's why you are completing a cycle, and soon you are getting your offer. Okay, maybe right now you feel a small offer, but that will give you this 10 of cups, because they also want to be with you, Aquarius. They also want to this achieve this 10 of cups with you. They are going to offer you right now. Maybe they are moving at a slow pace, okay, because they know, they must be knowing that you are not ready right now, okay. And this person is from your past, because there is 6 of cups. This new person is from your past. Someone from your past is coming towards you. Leave this toxic person, Aquarius, from your life, out of your life. See, this person can only give you, the person which you are dealing in the past, with whom you were in the relationship. 1 minute. Okay, where is this? This King of Pentacles can give you this only. They give you lot of heartbreaks, okay. They put you in a third party situation. They can only give you toxic thing. This King of Pentacles is not good for you, Aquarius. Can you see these energies? This is very toxic, dark energy. They put you in something very toxic. I can feel it. So now you are moving ahead, Aquarius, leaving this King of Pentacles behind, okay, and moving towards a new direction. That's why universe is bringing you beautiful energy, Aquarius. This new person wants to offer you this Ace of Cups. Can you see how beautiful this energy is? And you were dealing with a person in the past which was giving you this. Can you see the difference between these two energies? Now you decide what you want. Already you have decided and moving ahead in your life. But if some of you, Aquarius, have not decided yet, decide it. Decided, Aquarius, because there is someone in your life who wants to give you something very, very, very beautiful, Aquarius, which you always manifested, which you always want in your life, okay, Aquarius. So this was your love general reading. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can leave it out, Aquarius. There is no compulsion that it will resonate with everyone, okay. But if you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask any other thing. In the next video, I'm going to tell you more bonus messages which I will get for you, okay. And see you soon in my next video, Aquarius. Till then, take care and bye bye.